Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna print and paint this awesome battle scene of Spider-Man and Venom from Wicked. Wicked makes some really cool models, so make sure to check them out. I'll drop their Patreon link in the video description. Alright, let's get started. Oh, and quick tip. Make sure to rock those gloves and eye protection when you're dealing with uncured resin, especially when you're scraping it off the build plate. Trust me, you do not want a rogue piece of resin flying into your eye. Don't even ask how I found that out. Just stay safe, guys. Alright, let's do this. So, I decided to test out the water-washable resin from Anycubic on their newest printer, the Photon Mono M7 Pro. And let me tell you, it gave me a real headache. I had 4 failed prints in a row, despite tweaking all the settings. The major issue was that it stuck way too well to the build plate. I even cut my hand trying to scrape it off. Ouch! I lowered the exposure time to 20 seconds, the lowest I could go, but it still wouldn't budge easily. It was frustrating enough for me to forget to hit that record button on my camera. I think I'll stick to the standard resins for now. If you've had similar experiences or any tips, feel free to share them with me. Let's help each other out, yeah? Alright guys, let's get into it. Time to paint. Gotta figure out the best camera angle because this is crucial. First time recording and making a video like this, so hopefully I'll improve for the next one. Let's speed up this lengthy process, shall we? Okay, painting is done. Let's put everything together. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.